Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change password of your Nintendo account. How to change the password of your Nintendo account. Now the first thing you do is you log into your Nintendo account the normal way by signing in with your credentials, and once you're in, you want to change the password. The first thing you do is you click on your information, which is exactly where I am right now, and then you click on edit. Let's see if we can change it from here. As you can see, we can only change this country, time zone, and other things. But what we can do instead is we click on privacy and other settings. So it's still not here. We're looking for it. It's not there. It has to be in sign-in and security settings, and that's where it is. In the security settings, then we have password, and then we click on edit. And so put in the old password. After that, so put in the new one and put it in again, confirm it, and then verify it, and then click on save. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.